Hello, my name is Chris Graves, and I'm in the English 102 class, and this is my project on influence is innovation in the mobile computing market. Today, it is almost impossible to keep up with all of the newest devices. It seems like almost every day there is an announcement of a new innovation in technology, whether it be a new cell phone, television, computer, and so on. This seemingly overwhelming surge of technology is becoming particularly prominent in the mobile computing department, namely projects such as tablets, e-readers, and smartphones. This continuous bombardment of these new technologies has raised the question of how all these innovations, features, and specifications are related to the demands of the modern consumer. According to Moore's law, computer processing power doubles every 1 to 2.5 years. This law is becoming more evident today, with current phones and tablets being exponentially faster and featured than some of the most powerful laptops a few years ago. In conjunction with the increase in demand, the necessity of these technologies has seemed to increase equivalently. Mobile computing has become an integral part of today's society, whether one needs to update a Facebook status, find directions to a destination, or simply wants to record a video. The availability of these features has become almost a standard for devices today. The question this project aims to investigate consists of several main topics. Does current innovation in this market come from consumer demand, or is it more influenced by other factors such as competition, or is it simply inevitable technological advancement and development?
In order to best understand today's current smartphone market, we must first look at the transition of a mobile phone being a device initially for only making calls and texts to the multi-purpose device it is today. One of, if not the most influential companies toward the revolution of the smartphone industry was none other than Apple Incorporated. Apple, already having a hold on the music industry, which not only included online music sales, but also included portable media players with their iPod collection, was no stranger to setting a higher standard. In 2007, they continued this trend with the release of the infamous iPhone. While companies such as Nokia, Palm, and other companies already had what they considered would be smartphones, Apple managed to change their entire definition of what they really should be. The iPhone was superior to all mobile phones on the market for a number of reasons. The introduction of features such as the accelerometer, which initially had a primary purpose of enabling the auto-rotate screen orientation feature instead of what it is used for today, such as games. Apple also invented the multi-touch navigation system, better known as pinch to zoom, which remains as one of the most intuitive and efficient means of operating the current smartphone on the market today. Another innovation the iPhone provided was the mobile Safari browser, which facilitated the most advanced internet browsing experience on a mobile device at the time. The list of features goes on as to why this single device managed to pave the way for all multi-purpose devices. A year after the release of the first iPhone comes what truly set the iPhone apart from everything else: the App Store. The App Store was by far the most extensive online markets for a mobile device of the time. Containing hundreds of thousands of applications, or apps, the App Store allowed iPhone users to essentially turn their phone into anything from a gaming console to a scientific calculator. Today, apps play a crucial role in the smartphone market across various operating systems. Other companies created their own application distribution markets, such as RIM's BlackBerry App World or Google Android's market. Despite its new competitors, Apple still continues to have most apps available on a single operating system. This is mainly due to their head start in the industry. With the new standard of what a smartphone should contain set by Apple, a multitude of various smartphone operating systems began to emerge and advance to compete with Apple's iPhone, such as Windows Mobile, Palm, Android, and BlackBerry. The goal of each company was to create the, quote, iPhone killer, which none have managed to do as of today. These developments has not only pushed these companies from a software standpoint, but also facilitated increases in processing power, screen resolution, and overall build quality. This leads to where we are today, with literally hundreds of various smartphone options running various operating systems. Smartphones can now play a crucial role in people's lives, whether it be for checking email, GPS navigation, or so on. Even with having the ability to download an app for almost any situation, companies and developers still strive to incorporate new features into their devices. This leads to the question as to what drives innovation today.